Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Today I am going to introduce the next page of ORT teacher to all of you. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. Let's start it. What is the name of this reader? The Toys Party. Repeat after me. The Toys Party. What is the meaning of this tree? Oxford Reading Tree. Oxford Reading Tree. Who is he? He is Kipper. And who is it? It is Floppy. And who are they? They are toys, Kipper's toys. Who is the writer of this book? Roderick Hunt and Alex Brighta. Roderick Hunt and Alex Brighta. Now, you can see on the title page, Kipper enjoy the party with the Floppy and the toys. Now let's get started. So open. Okay dear students, now look at this picture. What happened in the picture? The Kipper has dropped a lot of things, some on the table and some on the floor, and lots of milk has been on the floor, which is enjoying the Floppy. And all the toys are dirty because of the sauce, and the sauce bottle is on the floor. And look here, one jam jar is in a hand. Now start reading. He put in he put in milk. Now look here, he put in jam. He put in jam. He put in milk. He put in jam. Now look at next page. Look at this picture. The Kipper has baked beans in the hand, and he is putting in the bowl, and he is putting a lot of sugar in the bowl, and sugar bag is empty here. Things are falling everywhere, and the cupboard are also dirty. He created extreme mess in the kitchen. Now start reading. He put in sugar. He put in sugar. Now look at next page. He put in he put in baked beans. He put in sugar. He put in baked beans. Now look at the next page. Look at this page. Kipper has done all his work and enjoying the party with the lots of mess, and feeding his toys, and the mum enters in the kitchen on the same time, and she is very angry. Now let's start reading. Mum was cross. Mum was cross. Mum was cross. Mum was cross. Now this is the last page of the reader. Kipper is sitting in the washing area with his feet in the tub, and he feels sorry. All the toys in the washing machine, and mum spreading the cloths. Now let's start reading. Kipper, K-I-P-P-R, Kipper, K-I-P-P-R, Kipper, K-I-P-P-R, Kipper was sorry. Kipper was sorry. Okay dear students, your task is you have to revise all book. Thank you.